stop. Think about this for a second. How much of your life has been stolen by a few seconds of weakness? How many nights ended with regret instead of progress? And how many times did you promise yourself, this is the last time, but it wasn't? Pause and be honest with yourself. Lust does not destroy you in one moment. It destroys you slowly. It begins when you are bored, when you are tired, when you are alone with your phone and nothing demanding your attention. One look becomes 5 minutes. 5 minutes become an hour, and suddenly the day is gone. Your focus fades, your energy drops, your discipline weakens. You tell yourself it is harmless. You tell yourself everyone does it, but deep down you feel it. Something inside you is getting weaker. Here is the truth most people refuse to face. Lust is not the real problem. Your lack of control is. The urge is natural, but feeding it again and again trains your mind to be weak. Every time you give in, you teach your brain that pleasure is more important than purpose. And that is how a man slowly loses his power. But the good news is this: the same brain that learned weakness can learn discipline. Step 1. Control your environment. Your phone should not control your life. Remove the triggers. Unfollow the accounts. Block the websites. A strong mind is built by protecting what enters it. Step 2. Kill boredom with action. An idle body is the perfect temptation. Move your body. Train hard. Run. Lift. Work until your body feels alive again. Physical effort burns weak desires. Step 3. Build a strict routine. Wake up early. Plan your day. Stay busy with meaningful work. Lust grows in empty time. Purpose destroys it. Step 4. Interrupt the urge immediately. Do not sit with it. Do not negotiate with it. Stand up. Change rooms. Go outside. Move your body. Urges are waves. If you do not feed them, they pass. Step 5. Change your identity. Stop saying you are trying to quit. A man who tries is still negotiating with weakness. Instead, say this: I am a disciplined man. And then prove it. Every single day. Because every time you resist, something powerful happens. Your brain rewires. Your self-respect grows. Your mind becomes sharper. Weeks pass, then months. One day, you wake up and realize something shocking. You are no longer the same person. Your focus is stronger. Your energy is higher. Your discipline feels natural. You become someone your old self would not recognize. But this transformation starts with a decision. Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. The next urge will come. It always does. And when it does, that moment will test the man you are becoming. Stand up, move, take control, because the man who controls his mind controls his life.